Thank you for your interest in how to grow your remodeling business with cabinet refacing, presented by Front and Center. Refacing is a kitchen cabinet makeover. Everything you see on the cabinet gets updated. Doors and drawer fronts are removed and replaced, so are hinges and hardware. All visible exterior surfaces are covered. Because the existing cabinet boxes stay in place, projects are usually really straightforward and quick turn. When you consider the different options for updating a kitchen, you'll find the cost of refacing to be a nice middle-of-the-road choice. We believe refacing is better than painting or refinishing due to the style options and durability. It is also quicker and less disruptive than a full remodel. There's a huge opportunity in the residential construction market right now for refacing. Home repair and remodeling overall is growing, and the trend is expected to continue even with the disruption of the pandemic. 80% of homes are at least 20 years old, and so they're starting to look dated. Research also shows home projects are a growing trend among millennial homeowners in particular. In a recent Home Advisor study, millennial homeowners cited improved aesthetics as their primary motivation for remodeling. Refacing is right in the sweet spot of what they're looking to do. Refacing can be a really profitable option for your business because projects are quick turn. Most refacing jobs will be between 2 to 4 days for installation, and only 4 to 6 weeks from the time you have an initial call with the homeowner until you're doing the final walkthrough. Traditional remodels often take much longer. According to the NKBA, the average time is 1 to 3 months. You could potentially focus on refacing, churning out 2 to 3 jobs a week, or use it as a fill-in between larger jobs. Part of the speed of refacing projects is because you have fewer suppliers to coordinate. Here on the left, you can see the many suppliers you would use for a typical remodel, and compare that to the list on the right, which is a typical refacing order. As you can see, refacing is much simpler to manage. Homeowners often know nothing about refacing, but once they experience it, they love it. The fast turnaround is one of the biggest selling points. There's almost instant gratification that you just can't get with a big remodel project. At the same time, they are still getting to take advantage of all the latest functionality features like soft close and drawer organizers. The kitchen remains fully functional since you're not modifying the layout and messing with plumbing or electrical. That's a lot of hassle saved for the homeowner. Cabinets aren't moving, so it's a lot less dust and mess, and it's also more sustainable since their existing cabinets don't go to a landfill. Here are a few before and after images. As you can see, refacing can give a very dramatic transformation. Front and Center is the contractor-facing startup division of a manufacturing company that's been producing cabinet components and other custom items since 1992. The aim of the brand and the Pro program is to be very transparent and easy to use. Everything will be available digitally, and our aim is to make the process as easy as possible while providing the support you need to add refacing to your business. The program will consist of 3 elements: products, training, and support. We're looking for contractors who are licensed and insured and already doing kitchen remodels. It's okay if that's not all you do, but we think you'll have the most success if you're already familiar with what it takes to renovate a kitchen. We're looking for people who are willing to invest their time in training and learning the best practices for refacing. What do you think? Does this sound like an interesting opportunity? If so, please click on the Contact Us link on the webpage and submit the form to set up a phone call with a Front and Center representative.